In the land where the winds blow free, there's a tale of the skies and sea. Dug father and son on a quest so grand, leaving home with courage in hand. From the northern trees to the southern sun, they're flying high till the journey's done. With the dream of a land where the skies are bright, the Mavericks on the wing ready for the fight. SchoolBus.Rocks where the brave hearts flock, flying together around the clock. In the sky so blue with a daring crew, their global elites never making dreams come true. Oh, the Mavericks soar, they'll explore and more. With a heart so bold, they'll find the shore. Father Gray said stick to the plan. The young Max had a different span, chasing myths and legends old, with a spirit so brave and a heart so bold. Through the stormy nights and the windy gales, they held on tight through the fiercest trails. Max the Maverick, with wings of steel, showed the world how to dream and feel. Then came the day they met a flood of seagulls dancing in the twilight. With a laugh and a squawk they shared a joke. Why do we migrate just for a yoke? They showed our duo a path unknown, where the currents live and the seeds are sown. Max learned that humor, even in strife, can light the way and brighten life. SchoolBus.Rocks where the brave hearts flock, flying together around the clock. In the sky so blue with a daring crew, their global elites network making dreams come true. Oh, the Mavericks soar, they'll explore and more. With a heart so bold, they'll find the shore. Leadership's not just about the flight, it's standing tall in the darkest night. Max and Gray, they led the way through the storm to a brighter day. With every wing beat they learned to grow. In the face of fear they let courage show. Together they found what they sought so long. In each other's strength they grew so strong. SchoolBus.Rocks where the brave hearts flock, flying together around the clock. In the sky so blue with a daring crew, their global elites network making dreams come true. Oh, the Mavericks soar, they'll explore and more. With a heart so bold, they'll find the shore. So let's sing of Max and his mighty quest, of a journey shared and a life well blessed. In the winds of change where the Mavericks play, they'll keep on flying come what may. For in every heart there's a Maverick song, to lead with courage where we all belong.